Hi all, hope you have revised the previous topic of length, concat and upper, lower and init cap and all, and now we're going to see INSTR and SUBSTR function. These are the main important function used in many IT projects, but the concept is very simple. Okay, what is INSTR? INSTR is nothing but it will return the position number of our searched words. I will explain you with an example. Here see, I written the query as select INSTR Oracle programming R from dual. I already explained what is the purpose of the dual table, right? So now see here, INSTR contains how many arguments? 1 and 2. Okay, but in INSTR syntax wise we have the 4 arguments. The third argument and fourth argument is optional. If we didn't give any value to the third and fourth argument, means Oracle will take that number as 1. Okay, but in this example I have given only 2 arguments. Why I am giving like this means because third and the fourth argument is optional argument. Okay, here see select INSTR Oracle programming R from dual. What does it mean is I am searching the letter R. Instead of a single letter you can also give some words also, no problem. But for to understand you better I am just giving the letter here. Okay, so I am searching the letter, okay, R from my original string Oracle programming. Okay, it will return where Oracle will search where R is there and it will return that particular position number. Okay, for example, see Oracle programming. Okay, what is the meaning of first argument? First argument is my original string. Yes, this is my actual input. Instead of this Oracle programming, you can also give the column name of your table, and instead of a dual table, you can also give your table name. Okay, that and all we're going to see in the upcoming examples. Okay, so select INSTR Oracle programming is my original string and R is my searching word. Okay, now I'm going to execute the query. Then a number is returning as a 2. Why means R was there in R is there in my position number 2, right? That's why it's showing answer as 2 because the R is in the position number 2. O was in position number 1 and R in position number 2 because in my second argument I am asking Oracle please return the position number of R in my original string. That's why it is returning as 2. Okay, we're going to see some other example now. Select INSTR Oracle programming R1, 1. What is mean by 1, 1? First I will execute the query, then I will explain you. So here in this INSTR function I have 4 arguments, right? Oracle programming is my original string and R is my searching letter. 1 is my, see the third argument what I have given here. Third argument is optional argument. Okay, position number I begin to search. Okay, I'm just instructing my Oracle from where you going to start my search, from the position number 1 or from the position number 5. I can give any number here. Okay, so whatever the number I have given in the third argument, Oracle will start to begin to search for that from that particular position number. And the last one is 1. What is the meaning of 1 in this fourth argument? So here see, fourth argument, what is the meaning of fourth argument is the number of the occurrence of my searched string. Okay, first time or second. In my Oracle programming I have many R, right? I'm just asking Oracle first occurrence of R or second occurrence of R. For example, this R is the first occurrence of R and this R is a second occurrence of R. See clearly, see here now, this is the first occurrence of R and this is the second occurrence of R, third occurrence of R. So I have 3 R, okay, in my Oracle programming word. Here I am just giving a 1 in the fourth argument. What does it mean is I am just instructing my Oracle please give the first position number of the first R. If I give 2 means, then Oracle will take the position number, will return the position number of second R. Okay, so now see, I'm executing this query. I am just Oracle is returning the number 2 because R was there in the second position. So instead of my fourth 1, instead of my 1, I am just given 3. So what does it mean is I am just asking Oracle, please give the position number of third occurrence of R. It will return the position number of this. What is the position number of this R? You count that. You counted the position number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count the space also 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So R was there in the 12th position, right? So now if I execute the query, it will return 12, because here what does it mean is please retrieve the third occurrence of R which I am searching. So the first argument is my original string. Okay, this is what I have given here, and the second argument is a thing I am searching, my searching word or letter, and the third argument is my position number I begin to search. Okay, from where I need to start my search, from the beginning or else some other position number. And the fourth argument is nothing but the number of the occurrence of my searched string. Okay, now see one more example here. Select INSTR Oracle Programming R3, 1. So what does it mean is the first two argument are same, okay, and what is the 3? What is the third argument I have given? Position number I begin to search. Okay, so here 3 I have given, right? So I am telling Oracle, please skip the first two letters and start to search from the position number 3. So A is there in the position number 3. So Oracle will search from here. It will not search the below 3. Okay, it will search from the position number 3. And what is the word I am searching? R only I am searching. So from this A I am searching where R is there. Yes, it is there. Okay, so which occurrence of R I am searching? I have 2 R. Okay, so which R I need to give as a result means you have to see the fourth argument, because fourth argument is nothing but the number of the occurrence of my searched string. So first occurrence of R only I need to get in my result. So from this position number 3, what is the first R? This one is the first R, right? So when you execute the query, it will return the position number of this R. Don't confuse, this R will not come, because I instructed my Oracle, please search it from A only. Please search it from my position number 3 only. So that's why this R is not a first occurrence of R in this example. This R is become a first occurrence of R. Okay, it will return the position number of R, which I highlighted here. So now I am going to execute the query. It will return 9. Yes, this R was there in the position number 9. Okay. So now see the one more example. Select INSTR Oracle Programming or -5, 1. So what does it mean of -5, 1? -5 is going from right to left. So this is -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. M was there in the -5. If I counted from here, and M there in the -5th position, -5. Okay, -5th position. Now I'm just telling the Oracle, okay, because the third argument is always what? Position number I begin to search. Yes, right? So position number I am just giving -5 means it will go and place a cursor here, and here I am just telling please give the first occurrence of R. Okay, so now it will execute and see the result now. You get the result as 12. So if I search from this m, okay, it will search where is my first occurrence of r. It is was there. If I search it from right to left, this is the first occurrence of r, right? So that's why it is returning the 12, because when you but count, okay, when you count from here, this r was then in the 12th place. That's why 12 is coming in my result. Okay, the next thing is, see the next example. Select first name, INSTR of first name or an R from the same thing only, but instead of my input, okay, this is a literal. I mean the input whichever you have given within a single code like this is called as a literal. Okay, so instead of my input, I can also use my column name, and instead of my dual table, I can also use employees table. Okay, the same thing will happen. Now I am executing the query here. First see the query what is doing. Select first name, INSTR of first name or 1 comma 1 from employees. So it will return the position number of R if it is there in my first name. Okay, here I just given 1 comma 1 means, so what is meaning of this one? It will begin to start from position number 1, and first the fourth argument is nothing but the number of the occurrence of my R. So now I am executing this query. See, for Ellen there is no R is there, that's why it is coming as 0, and for Sundar the R is there in the 6th place, that's why it is showing as a 6, and for Molly nothing is there, and for Herman the third letter R is there. Okay, so now you understood. INSTR function is nothing but it will give the position number of the letter or the word of what we have searched. Okay, so please memorize the syntax, okay, and be ensure what is the meaning of third and the fourth argument. Okay, do some exercises based on this INSTR function which I given to you, so that it is useful for you to attend that exam easily. And now we're going to see SUBSTR function. So in the SUBSTR function, is nothing but it is used to extract the substring from our original string. It's a very simple function. See here is select SUBSTR Oracle programming. Here we can have 3 arguments, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, first see the example first. Select SUBSTR. SUBSTR stands for substring. Okay, Oracle programming is my original string, and I just instructing my Oracle fetch the letter, I mean start, pick the letter from my position number 1 and pick the 2 letters. Okay, first I will explain with an example. First I execute the query. So why OR is coming? From my Oracle programming, OR alone is my coming. So I am fetching my particular part of my string from my original string. So this is called SUBSTR. Okay. Why this OR alone is coming is nothing but, here I am given 2, right? That's why in my output 2 letters alone is coming. So what is the meaning of 1 is nothing but pick the my string from the position number 1. So that is the meaning of 1. Okay, so it will go, Oracle will go here and pick the position number 1, and from the position number 1 it will pick the first 2 letters. This is one example. For example, here see I'm just giving like this. Instead of a 1 I given 4. So what is the meaning of 4 is nothing but, here first I will execute this. Now if I maximize this, then you can understand. So 4 means it will go to position number 4. So at the position number 4 C is there. From the position number 4 it will pick the how many letters? 2 letters. Okay, So 4 is nothing but it will go to the position number 4, and 2 is nothing but from the position number 4 it will pick the 2 letters. That is the meaning of SUBSTR. Okay. And the third argument is optional only. Suppose if I remove this 2, see here, it will go to the position number 4 and pick the remaining letters and all. Okay, so third argument is optional only. How many letters you need means you need in your output means you can give that number. Otherwise, if you omit that number, Oracle will fetch the remaining entire string and give you as an output. Okay, here now in this example we can see SUBSTR with some negative arguments. So what does it mean is, here see SUBSTR of Oracle programming -3. As I said in INSTR function, -3 is nothing but you have to read from your right hand side to the left hand side. So G is -1, -2, -3. So I is there in the position -3. So now I am instructing my Oracle, go to the position number -3. Yes, I went. Then pick the 3 letters, upcoming 3 letters. So I, N, G. Okay, I, N, G is coming. So this is a SUBSTR with the negative numbers. And here in this example, I am just giving select first name, SUBSTR of first name -3, 3 from employees. So it will give the last 3 letters alone. See here. For all the name, it giving the last 3 letters. For LN, the last 3 letter is LEN. That's why LEN is coming. For Sundar, DAR is the last 3 letter. That's why DR is coming. Why means because I given -3. -3 means the cursor will go to -1, -2 and -3. Alright. Then it will pick the remaining 3 letters. So that's why the last 3 letters is coming. Okay all, in this video we seen what is INSTR and SUBSTR function in Oracle. And in the upcoming lessons, in the next lesson, we going to see what is LTRM, RTRM, LPAD and RPAD, replace, other characters, single row function. I hope you understood better. See you in the next video. Thank you.